Thinking about a family trip to Dubrovnik in Croatia? You might know it as a historic city full of medieval charm, but is it a good destination for families? Today, we'll show you why Dubrovnik is a must-visit for families looking for adventure, history, and fun by the sea. First up, history comes to life here. Walking along Dubrovnik's city walls feels like stepping back in time. Kids will love exploring the towers, spotting the sea from above, and pretending they're knights guarding the city. For the best views, take the Dubrovnik Cable Car up to Mount Saryard. It's a quick ride, and at the top, you'll get breathtaking panoramic views of the city and coastline, perfect for family photos. But it's not just history. Dubrovnik has some amazing beaches too. Banje Beach is right near the old town, making it super convenient for families. If you want calmer waters, Sveti Jakov Beach is a great spot for a relaxing day by the sea. And talking about the sea, if you're looking for adventure, you can take a family-friendly boat trip to Lokrum Island. Just a short ferry ride away, this island is a nature haven with peacocks, rabbits, and beautiful nature walks. There's even a small saltwater lake which is just perfect and safe for kids to swim in. And here's the best part. If you or your kids are fans of Game of Thrones, Dubrovnik was the real-life filming location for King's Landing. You can visit Fort Lovrijenac, which served as the Red Keep, or walk through Pile Gate, where many famous scenes were filmed. Even if you're not a fan, these sites are simply incredible to explore. And of course, we can't be discussing Dubrovnik without mentioning the food. The traditional foods here have a marvelous blend of Mediterranean freshness and Italian influences. Dubrovnik has a huge array of family-friendly restaurants serving fresh seafood, pasta, and local favorites like Sveti, a type of grilled sausage kids will love. One final reason why Dubrovnik is great for families: it's so easy to explore. The old town is completely pedestrian-friendly, so you won't have to worry about cars while strolling through the historic streets. So going back to the question, is Dubrovnik a must-visit for families? Absolutely yes. With its mix of history, beaches, fun activities, and even some Hollywood magic, it's a destination the whole family will enjoy. Have you been to Dubrovnik before? Is it on your bucket list? Let us know in the comments. And if you're looking for more family travel tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Until next time.